Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, lived a wise old man named Abdullah. He was known throughout the village for his profound knowledge and strong moral values. People often sought his guidance and wisdom. One day, a young man named Ahmed approached Abdullah with a troubled heart. Ahmed had been offered a lucrative job opportunity in a neighboring town, but he had discovered that the job involved engaging in unethical practices that went against his Islamic principles. Confused and torn, he sought Abdullah's advice. Abdullah listened attentively to Ahmed's dilemma and then smiled gently. He began narrating his story to him. In a land far away, there was a poor farmer named Ali. He owned a small plot of land and struggled to make ends meet. One day, a wealthy merchant named Khalid approached Ali and offered to buy his land at a handsome price. Ali was tempted by the offer as it would solve all his financial problems. However, he knew that the merchant planned to build a gambling den on the land, which was against the teachings of Islam. Ali sought guidance from his wise neighbor, Hassan. Hassan advised Ali to trust in Allah's provision and reminded him of the importance of adhering to his moral principles. Ali refused the merchant's offer, despite the allure of wealth. Years passed, and Ali's crops flourished. He found success in his honest toil, and his small plot of land grew into a prosperous farm. His ill-gotten wealth attracted the attention of the authorities, and he lost everything. Abdullah paused for a moment, allowing Ahmed to absorb the essence of the story. He then continued, Ahmed, Allah tests us in various ways, and it is our duty to uphold our moral values and trust in His guidance. The path of righteousness may sometimes be challenging, but it leads to long-term success and contentment. Ahmed pondered over Abdullah's words. He realized that his Islamic values were far more valuable than any material gain. With a renewed sense of purpose, he thanked Abdullah for his wise counsel and decided to decline the unethical job offer. In the years that followed, Ahmed pursued honest opportunities aligned with his Islamic principles. Though his path was not always easy, he found solace in knowing that he was living a life of integrity. Ahmed's decision to prioritize his moral values paid off in unexpected ways. He gained the respect of his peers, and opportunities aligned with his values began to come his way. Eventually, he established a successful business based on ethical practices, becoming a role model for others in the community. The moral of the story is that upholding Islamic morals and values is a testament to one's character and brings about long-term success and contentment. It teaches us the importance of staying true to our beliefs, even in the face of temptation and adversity. By following the path of righteousness, we can inspire others and create a positive impact on society.